Hello everyone. Well, we have a little different vlog for you today. Yes, I'm in a forest preserve. That is pretty typical for my channel. But today we are in Lemont, Illinois. No, we're not in Michiana. We're not in Wisconsin. We're not in Lake or McHenry County. We are in DuPage County, Illinois. Lemont, Illinois, at the Waterfall Glen Forest Preserve. And we're looking for a waterfall. So yes, we are at the Waterfall Glen Forest Preserve. Of course, we got a map here. There's a huge 9.5 mile trail that goes around this property, surrounded by the Argonne National Laboratory. We are not going to be covering all of this today. Just this tiny part here. We parked in this parking lot and we're making our way to the Rocky Glen Trail, to the Rocky Glen Waterfall. So we're right here where it intersects. I have to kind of see what is down here. Ooh, nice. We're not at the waterfall yet, but I might have to check this out. Okay, that was not the easiest to get down. Had to do a bit of sliding, but check this out. Awesome view. Check out that way. Looks like there might be a bridge or something over there. Okay, so that is the bridge for Bluff Road. This is actually Sawmill Creek. And I believe connects to the waterfall. I think I can actually hear it from here. Pretty nice, but we need to get to the main attraction, so back up this way. A lot easier to get up than down, that's for sure. Here it is. And there you go. The Rocky Glen Waterfall of Waterfall Glen Forest Preserve in Lemont, Illinois. And as you can see, we don't exactly have the place to ourselves tonight. But I was kind of expecting that because I heard this place is fairly popular. I'm guessing it is not quite the hidden gem that I was hoping it was. So like all the other folks, we're going to try to maneuver these rocks a bit while holding very carefully onto my phone and not dropping it into the water. Hopefully. Yeah, pretty nice. Now, it's not like a 50-foot waterfall, but still pretty cool. And you don't find a lot of stuff like this in the Chicagoland area. Got a nice little sitting spot here. This is a very nice place. Would be more perfect with a little less people, but what can you do? While we're chilling here, watching the waterfall, I want to thank my friend Joe, a friend of mine on Facebook, who is very much into nature related stuff. He's especially into taking really close-up photos of birds with his fancy camera. I learned about this place because of him. I had no idea this existed. So a shout out to Joe for bringing this to my attention. I haven't convinced him to get on YouTube yet, but it would be really awesome to travel and collab with him some days. So, all right, let's check out this place some more. Besides the main trail, there's tons of other smaller little trails like this just all around this property. We will not have time to check all this out today. And like I said, it's like a 9.5 mile trail, the main one around. So this is definitely something I need to take a bike to if I'm going to explore properly. So this is really cool. I like all the rocks here. I'm a little cautious walking along here just because I am trying to video with my phone and I really don't want to drop it in the water. The men who built a waterfall. So apparently this was man-made during the 1930s, I guess. And I'm first visiting it in 2021, so there you go. An old map. I always like old maps. An old fireplace. I'm not really sure where that is in this property. So I've seen a couple photo shoots going on so far since I've been here. I kind of want to get closer to the actual waterfall, but kind of want to let them do their thing. I don't think they want me in their photos. So I believe if we follow this creek, it would take us back to where we originally were and checked out the creek for the first time. So basically that's where it leads, I think. So that is Rocky Glen of Waterfall Glen Forest Preserve, DuPage County, Lemont, Illinois. And apparently it is a pretty extensive photo shoot that we got going on there, so I think we'll skip the top of the waterfall, save me from falling in anyway. That would be happening to me, so we will just move on and head back to the car because there's one more place I want to check out today. This was only about an hour away from McHenry. It actually took me longer to get to the Anderson Garden in Rockford, so this is definitely someplace we could easily visit again. Like with the many places that I visit, would be great to come back in the fall again. So definitely expect another video here again sometime soon. I hope you enjoyed it. I've been wanting to visit this place for a while since I became aware of it, and it is the perfect, not officially summer yet, but it is June and we're kind of hitting around 90 degrees as far as temperature goes, so this was a good day to check this out. So I'm glad I made it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. And we will see you in the next video.